Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista Aamir from Express Fairway Freight. Our today's topic is linking VAT with Dubai Customs. Department of Federal Tax Authority (FTA) and the Department of Customs are working together to collect the value-added tax on the import of goods. All the business registered under VAT should provide the tax registration number, which is called TRN, to the Custom Department in the process of clearing their import goods. There are three options available to link your TRN with Dubai Customs. The Dubai Customs Department will verify the validity of the tax registration number in their system and allow the business to clear the imported good without payment of VAT in customs. If TRN is updated and found valid, if you are registered under VAT but yet to update TRN with custom departments, the following are options for you to link your tax registration number with custom registration number. Update custom registration number in FTA portal, update through import declaration form, update through custom department. By using one of these channels, you can link your VAT with Dubai Customs. You don't need to worry about linking VAT with Dubai Customs. Express Fairway Freight have experienced team to give you hassle-free service. Hope you like this video. If you find this video informative, please like and share. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.